Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best video editing tools, which is VideoStudio. So let's dive into it. The VideoStudio is a solid pick if you want an affordable, beginner friendly video editors with plenty of tools baked in it. It's great for simple YouTube edit, 4K project, motion tracking, and even multi-camera edit, all without paying a subscription, which is a major win if you are on a budget. The interface is easy to learn, the effect library is decent, and the one-time price makes it appealing for hobbyists who just want a reliable editing basic. But it's not perfect. The VideoStudio can feel slow down or slow doing every edit, and the user often mention occasional crashes or the export issue, which is one of the biggest challenges. So when it comes with bigger project, it crashes, and some of the effects looks a bit out of date, and the software isn't as powerful or stable as the high-end editors. So while it's definitely worth buying for beginners and casual creators, anyone working on complex or professional level videos may find this app or this website limiting. So the best choice for you to go for something bigger if you're handling a complex or professional project. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.